2019. I'm over here at Formlabs booth, and they have some pretty interesting 3D printers, not those big old Cadillac sizes. We're talking about some desktop 3D printers. So what we got behind you, my man?
Yeah, so I'm Max Slabowski. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Formlabs, and these are the Form 2, which is kind of our flagship product.
Okay.
And Form 2 is a stereolithography type of 3D printer. So it's a high-resolution, really professional quality product. And we started Formlabs because we knew about those Cadillac big expensive printers. They're really powerful. We got to use some of them, in different places that we worked. But when we realized how expensive and how difficult they are to use, and we realized it's really limiting for a lot of different companies, maybe startups who are developing new hardware products, or people in the movie and game industry who are modeling new characters and things like that. They didn't have access to high quality 3D printing.
Right.
So we started the company to do that.
Very nice, very nice.
So here we have examples of a lot of the different materials we have. So 3D printing, it's not just about the 3D printer, it's also about the different materials you can access. And Formlabs, we developed the machines and we developed this wide range of materials. We've got about 15 or more different ones. We launched a few new ones at CES. There's everything. There's kind of from rigid, sort of general purpose materials. This is a high temperature material that can go to something like 500 degrees Fahrenheit.
500 degrees?
Yeah, you put it in your oven. This is sort of a flexible type material that's similar to what you make different consumer goods out of.
Now I see some things down there with a lot of detail on that middle shelf there. What's all of that?
So this is some of our jewelry examples. So you can actually print in this purple castable material, and a jeweler can cast that into silver here. And so this can be used for really high-end custom sort of jewelry. Other areas we work in is in dental. So this is one of the new materials we launched, is materials to make dentures out of. So these are biocompatible, certified materials that actually can be used in the mouth long term. It's another material used for mouth guards. So these can be made digitally. They take a scan of your mouth and print them.
What is the adoption of this? Because some people are thinking, all right, this thing is this a toy? It's too small to be a 3D printer. What is your adoption like?
Yeah, so we're selling tens of thousands of them around the world. We're selling more professional 3D printers than any other company in the world, actually.
And so having that smaller form factor was like a huge relief?
Yeah, it depends. I mean, it turns out a lot of what people print, even on the big machines, are smaller parts.
Right.
And so, yeah, some things you do need really big build volume, but most of what people print are, this size kind of higher detail parts, and so we can cover something like 80% of the parts people are printing inside of Form 2.
Outstanding, outstanding. Now, where can we find the Form 2 if we wanted to get one?
You can go to formlabs.com and buy it direct from us, or call up one of our sales representatives and learn more.
All right. CES 2019, I'm Pruitt. Thank you very much.